Yeah, that's what he did. I got a little puppy up there. Stop it, Lou. God dog you. Got mud on me, Lou. Oh, shush. Hush.
Do nice, Missy.
Oh, I'm sorry, mister. Damn, bitch. Look at them all. They go yawn. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Go ahead, you piss on that, Drew Bear. Drew Bear. Drew Bear. I got it, he says. I got it. I got it. Hush. You be nice, Missy.
What you doing, little fella?
I got them both connected.
What you doing, little fella? What you doing, little fella? Do nice, Missy. You talk nice to him.
I got them both connected.
Uh-oh. He's going after Lou.
Blue Bear says, what the fuck? Can't go anywhere without Avery, Blue Bear. I got you hooked.
Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy. Who's a good little boy, huh? Who's a good little boy? We don't even know what your name is. Don't even know what to call you. But you know how to handle that leash. Yes, sir. And you want to sit on my shoes.
I might sit on feet and other stuff. Come on, Bear. One side.
Come on, bud. Come on, let's go. Come on. Good puppy, boy. Good puppy. Come on. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good puppy.